It's your boy Israel from FVS, Future Visible Stoicism. We back in the office once again, guys. Today, man, I got a topic for y'all, man. And I wanted to talk about female hypergamy, how to deal with it, how should you conduct yourself, and how you should handle it. So first of all female hypergamy is when a female is scouting for higher value men than the man she's currently talking to or dating or in a relationship with. I put quotation marks because all women are single. Honestly, like in the red pill lens, you will understand that. But female hypergamy is when women are scouting for a higher value man and is looking to level up their options, okay? So if you ever dated a girl and she has cheated on you and has done stuff with other guys, chances are she was being very hypergamous. Now you're probably mad wondering, no, she was just cheating on me, she was just being shut up. We're stoic men here. We don't do that bitch shit. Take that shit elsewhere to the beta male channel, G. So, she cheated on you because she was being hypergamous. She cheated on her because she saw a bigger dick. She cheated on you because she saw a better opportunity with a better man. She cheated on you because she saw her options could be leveled up more. She cheated on you because she saw a better option. It sucks. And your ego's probably hurt, and you're probably hurt, and you're probably crying or ready to cry or getting your feelings. Man up. We don't got time for that, man. I need you to listen. Get your head together. Real talk, G. Because that's what females do. Just like that's what men do. But see, here's the problem with men. We're cheating and we're leveling down. What type of backwards shit is that? Y'all out here cheating on y'all women and shit, and y'all going down, y'all going backwards. Y'all not going up, y'all not going forward. You're going down and backwards. Do you know how backwards and stupid that is? Get the fuck out of here with that blue pill stupid ass shit right now. Get the fuck out of here. Like, what are you thinking? Because if you're gonna be hypergamous, real talk, as a man, you better make sure your shit is going linear up. Whether straight up, linear up, or a little bit forward up, it still needs to go up. Okay? Females, like I said, be hypergamous because they like to level up their options. Females be hypergamous because they want what's best for them. Females be hypergamous because they want the best available resources and they want to evaluate the situation. Okay, he's not that attractive, but he has a lot of money, so I'm gonna treat him as the beta male provider. I'm gonna get pregnant by him. I'm a monkey branch off of him. I'm gonna get pregnant. I'm gonna get married to him. I'm gonna have all these resources allocated to me. Well, I bring no value but what's between my legs. And maybe a halfway, this ain't even most women nowadays, halfway decent paying job. But other than that, I have moods, I'm unstable, I have attitude, I don't even want to give up the sex for a referral. I find other guys sexually attractive, more attractive than him, but I'm willing to monkey branch off of him because he is the best financial option for me. That's how hypergamy works. You want to know why your girlfriend or the girl you're talking to looks at other men? It's because she's being hypergamous. She's evaluating her options. Is he cuter than my current man? Is he more attractive than my current man? Does he have more money than my current man? Does he fuck me better than my current man? That's how hypergamy works. And it goes both ways. It's not just for females. Hypergamy isn't just for females, but that's what the topic of this video is. Hypergamy goes both ways, male and female. How do we be hypergamous as a male? We get in the gym, we get our finances together, we learn entrepreneurship skills, we start making six figures, we get six-pack abs, we get our skin clear, we level up. Just the same way that females level up, we level up too. The only huge difference, real talk, is that women can be more hypergamous because there's more options, there's more orbiters, there's more beta males, there's more simps, there's more males to go around for a female than there is willing to come into a male's life and be around males. Do you get that? Real talk. So here's another example of hypergamy. Say there was this fine, thick-ass girl in high school that got all the guys and she never talked to you and you wanted to get with her, this, and that. 2 years later in life, you become a multi-millionaire, you have a successful business, you're living the dream life, and you're married on top of that. That's like the little seasoning to the steak, real talk. If you've been paying attention to these videos, man, real talk, you understand where I'm going with this red pill concept. And then she sees you in public. Say she randomly, y'all just cross paths again. And she's scouting you out. She's following you in the grocery store. She's looking, is that him? Is that really him? What's he been up to? His skin looks clear. His physique is on point. I can see muscles through his shirt. Like, he looks a lot different, but it's him, but I barely recognize him. Part of hypergamy. She approaches you. Hey, oh my God, happy, excited, energized, can't wait to see you. Strikes up a conversation with you. You give her your social media. She finds out you have like 500K, 1 million followers, whatever amount, you get what I'm saying? Boom, now she is sold. At that very moment, you are the best option for her and she is going to be hypergamous to the maximum. Thought my heater fell on the floor. To the maximum, like over the edge. Like she is like completely sold that you are the best available option for her, financially, physically, sexually, intellectually. If you are on point and you are that red pill alpha and you really focus to, let's just say, even like the possibilities of all of this, you're that 1% man. She will obsess over you, stalk you, and just go nuts. For real. Man, so that pretty much sums up female hypergamy. If there's anything I could improve on, just let me know. DM me on Instagram. Comment below what I could work on too, guys. It's all about us growing as a community and us men coming together and being stronger and becoming more alpha and becoming more red pill and striving one day out of all of us to be that 1% man. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy Israel from FVS. Catch you on the next one. Peace.